Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to episode 3 of the Road to COTA series. If you guys haven't seen the previous 2 episodes, go ahead and check out my profile. I have them on my recent uploads, and I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Today we're at a test day at Willow Springs International Raceway, getting ready for a POC event, that's Porsche Owners Club, tomorrow. And that is a wheel-to-wheel race for Jason and time trials for myself.
I'm gonna unhitch. Yeah.
How many track days do these have on them?
We have a Randy track day.
Yeah, I know.
Randy track days last time, you know.
8 events.
I know.
She ready? Yeah, I was just gonna tie down the battery and then take it out for a spin. See what happens. Hopefully it blows up on turn 9 or something, you know?
Hopefully it blows up on turn 9 or something, you know?
You need to get this shit painted. I know, dude. Summer season for sure, I'll get it painted. I just didn't want to take it to a paint shop right now. It was gonna be sitting for another 6 months or some shit.
Race cars. I'm like, what the fuck is this? They didn't say nothing at the front?
Shit, well, I might as well go out there right now.
I mean,
They sent me packing, I'm going home.
Yeah.
I'm out.
This thing is not gonna fail. I built this, by the way.
Escape's former car.
But
Yeah.
I will say, Danny, when he took over it, he did a lot of things that I would have done that I didn't have the time or care to do. Upgraded auxiliary coolers. That was my next thing that I was gonna do regardless, but he ended up blowing the motor. One of the turbo lines tore on him. Tore or what?
This guy knew it was gonna blow, so he sold it to me about a week later. That's what happened.
This guy, from day one, always accusing me of scamming him. He had the car for 5 track days. Did 5 track days on it. And it fucking blew on that 5th track day.
Yeah.
Basically,
Allegedly.
the turbo oil starved itself, blew up, and then sent metal into the motor. And
Blew
then
out a rod.
blew out a rod, put a hole through the side of the block. And then Lang actually rebuilt the motor, forged internals, everything. Pure stage 2 plus turbos, or what do I call hybrids?
High flow or something.
Yeah, some shit. Custom tune, 100 octane, E88s now. Looks good. Yours are good.
I don't know, I think you want to buy it back, man. I think he wants to buy it back.
Nah, I'm good.
coming off 2, I went to the outside because I was on my in lap. And I stayed to the outside, right? Into 3. And he got mad at me because he wanted, I don't know.
So what? He yelled at you where?
In the pits when James is checking my pressures and shit. Like grabbing my helmet and shit. Yeah.
That was great.
Yeah. Grant, did someone come yell at you too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I don't know who it is. I'd like to figure out what the criticism is. I'm open. I mean, you got yelled at too? Seriously? Did he yell at you?
Some guy just yelled at me, yeah.
Like yelled at you? Like walk up? Yeah, really?
Yeah. Put his hands on my helmet and shit.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Coming outside of 2, you know, I stayed to the outside to go into 3 on the inside line. And I don't know why he just didn't go around me for the outside line of 3 to break in and just turn in.
Dude, it's a testing day. It's not even competition day or nothing.
I think he's mad because I came out clear across the straight, but I know I did that. But I came out, the guys, I said I want space, and he gave me, I thought he was giving me space. There was a lot of run time, so, but yeah.
I was obviously on my in lap.
He's being fucking afraid of Big Willow right now.
It went fine, just at the end, Dwayne, I guess, was pissed off at me for cooling down my in lap. Came and yelled at me while I was still in the car in the pits, putting his hands on like my helmet, shaking me.
Really?
Yeah. I'm just like,
Because you took his class, you're supposed to be a pro now.
what'd you do? So, finished my last hot lap, was going through turn 2 slow.
Okay.
Then stayed on the outside exit of 2 to try to let him go on the right side into 3. And he got pissed off about that. He said, I almost hit you. I'm like, I was going
Is that
like,
the same guy? Oh.
and I was like, I was going maybe 50% speed through turn 2 and you're on my ass the whole time. And I just stayed to
Why
the
is
left.
it these instructors always get violent?
Hey, this is POC, man. Oh, POC, my guy.
I can't believe that. It's like the instructors are the ones that go ham on people. It's like, dude, aren't you supposed to be like a teacher?
Fucking guy. He's complaining about the car. It drives like shit. It's sputtering. I don't know. It feels like MDM's on. Well, let's see if it's on. It's fucking on. What the fuck?
I don't got shit to say, man.
1 minute later.
Alright, well, fuck it. Send it.
Exhaust cam deviation codes. Crank up codes.
Hopefully it blows up on turn 9 or something, you know?
You do the crank up?
I paid for it, right?
Looks like my windshield. Oh no.
9 through 8.
Yeah.
Get your car straight.
Okay.
Because you're keeping a constant radius and you're gonna brake too late. So there's a telephone poles, line up with those, brake there, then check up, okay?
Yeah.
And they'll give you a better transition through 9. Because braking so late. You're constantly turning. You want to get the car straight, brake, lift, and then make the turn.
Okay.
Okay? On the top of 4, stay wider, take the top longer, and then turn down. If you're kind of coming down too soon, the car's gonna get squirrely.
Okay.
All right. 2's good. 3's good. This car's got some fucking amazing brakes.
Yeah, it does.
Ceramics, right?
No, these are AP.
Oh wow. Wow. Yeah. Try not to grab a gear right before 5. Stay in 3rd.
Okay.
Try to get a 4th. Just double shifting. And brake a little bit earlier so that because you're still braking as you're making the turn.
Yeah.
You want to be done braking.
Okay.
And
You're
then,
talking about when I'm coming down the hill?
yeah,
Okay.
into that left turn.
Okay.
And then stay to the left and then launch it. But you're doing great with the 6, so you're good there.
Okay.
All right, I'll take care of it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.
Good meeting you. Good meeting you.